Hello kids! Green color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, red color, brown color. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Green color. 1, blue color. 2, yellow color. 3, purple color. 4, red color. 5, F-I-V-E 5, brown color. 6, S-I-X 6, green color. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, blue color. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, yellow color. 9, N-I-N-E 9, purple color. 10, 10. T E N 10. 1 O N E 1. T W O 2. 3 H R double E 3. F O U R 4. Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, parrot green color, sky blue color, orange color, parrot purple color, brown color, black color, blue color, pink color, red color, yellow color, green color. Today we are learn alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue color. A for apple. Brown color. B for bus. Sky blue color. C for car. Black color. D for dog. Orange color. E for eagle. Red color. F for fish. Violet color. G for goat. Parrot green color. H for hand. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jelly. Baby pink color. K for kite. Green color. L for lion. Black color. M for mango. Blue color. N for nest. Brown color. O for orange. Yellow color. P for peacock. Pink color. Q for question. Parrot green color. R for rose. Purple color. S for sun. Pink color. T for train. Brown color. U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V V for van. Orange color. W. W for watch. Red color. X. X for X-ray. Blue color. Y. Y for yak. Black color. Z. Z for zinc. Pink color. Number 1. Sky blue color. Number 2. Green color. Number 3. Pink color. Number 4. Yellow color. Number 5. Orange color. Number 6. Brown color. Number 7. Parrot green color. Number 8. Purple color. Number 9. Green color. Number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.